Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to fix Steam needs to be online to update fatal error. So this is the error that you get, and I'm going to show you how you're going to fix this error. So there are different methods to fix this error. The first one is very simple. What we need to do is go to our Steam app, right click on it, and run it as administrator. So by running it as administrator, it might fix the issue. Another method we can try, if this still doesn't work, is to restart our computer. So by restarting and also updating it, it might fix the issue. Another method we can try is to change our DNS server. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. First, go to search and open up control panel. Open up control panel and then select network and internet. Then go to network and sharing center. Then select change adapter settings. Then select the network you're connected to. I'm connected through Wi-Fi, so I'm going to choose Wi-Fi. Then once this is opened, click on properties. Then on this window, you'll look for an option that says Internet Protocol version 4. Click on it. So this will open a sub window. In this window, you'll go down and select the option that says use the following DNS server. So for the preferred DNS server, we will input 8888. And for the alternate DNS server, we'll input 8844. And once we're finished, we'll click on OK. Then click on OK, close this, and this is how you can change your DNS server to make sure that the Steam fatal error is fixed. Another option we also have is to flush the DNS. So to do this, what we need to do is open up command prompt. So we will type in on our search bar cmd. Open up command prompt. Then on the command prompt, we will input the following code, which is ipconfig space / then flush DNS, then hit enter. So as you can see, a message will appear saying successfully flushed the DNS resolved cache. So by trying this, the Steam fatal error might also be fixed. So if you try all of these methods and it's still not working, one more thing you should check for is the time and date. So go to settings, open up settings. Then on settings, select time and language. Then select date and time. And make sure that the set time zone automatically option is turned on. By making sure that this is set to automatically on, we're ensuring that Steam will have the accurate time and data so that there are no server issues. So these are the methods we can use to fix this fatal error. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.